Tiga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anwar Sebastian Swamini, and today I will be presenting to you, me and my friends will be presenting to you the solution for our questions. This question includes two things: conservation of energy and momentum. This is going to be our formula for today. For this question specifically, we have a total of three equations, and this is the question that's given to us. See, this is the diagram, the first diagram. What the question one is, the height of the ball, the height of the bigger ball, the ball B, after the collision between A and B. This is the information given to us. Mass one of the ball, the smaller one, is 1.5 kg, while the second ball, the mass of the second ball is 4.6 kg. The height of the first ball is 0.1 meter, while the initial velocity of the smaller ball, ball A, is 5 millimeter per second.
So, based on the information that was given, you can use the first conservation of energy formula, which is the general formula. You can plug in every information that was given. So, the final velocity is what we want, because the final velocity is the velocity where both balls hit together. Okay. So, we plug in everything, and the final potential energy is zero because it's at the lower point. So now, after we plug everything, we can calculate this part and also this part, and we move everything, and we get the final velocity of the ball A before it hits ball B. So it is 5.56 meter per second. So after we get the final velocity, the initial velocity of ball B before it hits the ball A is zero because it's at rest. So we can use the first equation for conservation of momentum. Now we plug in everything, which is the mass is 1.5 and the velocity final which is initial at this point is 5.56 plus 0 because the ball B is at rest, and the final velocity it's the one that we want, okay? Because once we get the final velocity, we can use back the conservation of energy to get the height after the collision. Okay, so after we plug in everything, it's the first equation that we got. And then because we got two variables over here, you can use another formula of conservation of energy, which is the elastic collision. So V final, V initial minus V initial minus V2 minus V1 final and minus V2 final. Now we plug in the V initial, which is the final of our kinetic energy just now. So 5.56 and 0 initially because at rest. And then this 2 is what we want. So finally we can conclude that V2 equals to V1 plus 5.56. Okay, now
Our percent. Just suppose.
After that, we get two equation here. We must substitute 2 into first equation. So we got all this calculation here. We do the first calculation. We can get the first velocity negative 2.183 meter per second, and after that we plug in the first velocity to the second equation, and we get the second velocity. After that, after all the information that we get, we can plug in all the information to the first equation that we have here. So we plug in all the information 1.2 or blah 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 blah, and we get the first height of the first ball. Here we get 0.41 meter, and for the second ball we plug in again with the same equation but with this velocity, and we got the second height for the second ball, 0.38 meter. So height A after the collision is 0.41 meter, and for the second ball after the collision is 0.38 meter. And that's from us. Thank you.
thank you. Oh, selamat.